Are we filming?
Yes.
Okay. I'm Mike Stokes, Lush Design Build, and today's video is about turning your attic space into a loft space. So why don't you come on in and I'll show you what we're doing. Hopefully you can see and the light's not too bad. We got a 1900s cabin, this old redwood paneling all the way around the house. And when we started this job, we had an exterior porch right here, and so we knocked out the wall and opened it up. And then we also had a wall in here separating out this kitchen area from the living room. And so we knocked that out and installed this beam. And the reason we put in this beam is because we're going to create a loft space upstairs, and we needed more support in order to put in floor/ceiling joists. So if you come over here, I'll show you what we're going to do. We decided this was all ceiling as well, and we decided to take out all of the ceiling in this part of the room. The ceiling joists, you can see the old joists that ran across there. We're going to leave this open and have a railing here, and then we're going to open up this side of the house out to the river. If you look over here, you'll see we have a nice river view, and so we're just trying to maximize the best views that we have in the house and bring in the natural light. So a couple of interesting design challenges on this. Come on up here and I'll show you what we're going to try to do. So this, built in the early 1900s, you see you got 2x4s. We got, I don't know if you can't really see them, but they're 2x4s down here. All the wood's too small to actually do any work, to use it for flooring. So what we had to do was run new ceiling floor joists. So we just laid them out 60 center, ended them on the beam here, and then ran them fully across. Now what we're going to do for the space is right where these old supports are, we're going to make a line, a wall, a knee wall on each side, and then we're going to open the space and have a knee wall, and then this roof line will go up to here and then flatten out right there. And then it'll go all the way back to the front. So we're going to close this top up here mainly so we can utilize the venting, because you still have to, since we're going to create a vaulted ceiling, we still have to be able to vent out the moist air. And we didn't want to seal it up entirely and create a ridgeline vent. We just want to use the existing vents that are there. So I think that's it for part one. We'll make another video and show you how it evolves as we move farther along. Thanks for watching.